Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So talking about today's like Nifty expiry. So the very first thing was that we waited and then we shorted at the top. So 22,100 P bought at 62. Just note down the timing like 11:21. So if you go to the charts and look at 11:21, so this is 11:15 to 11:20. So this is the very first minute. Okay, so almost near the top shorted. And why? Because the put buyers were active there, and the main put buyer, like, they bought it at 57. Okay, so here I also said that, like, some big put buyers, they bought it at 57, 22,100. Okay, and then finally what happened, that price went to more than 160. So anyways, I closed it at 95 and also then shorted 22,000 CE at 64, which I also closed it at 40, but it almost like ends near about I mean less than 20, I think 13 or 14. So anyways, that's not the point. Then after that also, like, here at the near top. So yeah, for the next, so this fall came and then again it went up and then again near this top. So that tweet was like posted for the public. So yeah, so there was also one more thing, that is 22,100. There was the call side, there was this free money, that is 6 rupees free money for the sellers. That also I updated, and it ends worthless. And talking about the other thing, that is this one, this was the tweet. So I clearly mentioned that the IV on the put side is increasing. Okay, what does that tell you? Now look at the time, 1:44 p.m. So 1:44 p.m. let's look at on the chart. So this is 1:30 to 1:40, and this is the next candle, 1:40 to 1:45. So 1:41, the very first minute of this candle, and three candles were red candles were enough to get a nice exit. So I think the price went to more than 120, but I closed it at 115. So here I bought it at 95 and then closed it at 115. So that was that trade. And then also, like, after that, when the third pump came, like, it went down here and then again went up. So at this point, like 240, so there also I mentioned a hint, I gave a major hint, that is here, that is this one, that is the pump and dump. Okay, if you look at the time of this, so it's at 246. Okay, so 246 now here, that is this is 240 to 245, this candle. So this candle, okay, again 3 to 4 red candles are enough to make a good a good return on expiry days especially. Okay, so because premium very I mean increases very fast on expiry days. So anyways, now that was all the tweets. So many people can say that this Telegram channel is fake or whatever. So I have deleted the tweets which went wrong anyway. So members are there, so I would have got comments from them on the Twitter. So to prove that, I also posted on Twitter as well. So this is the same Telegram channel, guys. Every day I post my analysis for the members. And also now let's talk about the money flow. Okay, and also the mega sell offer is going on. It will only last for 6 hours. Okay, and only will be granted to the first 10 members. And yeah, so don't forget to take the advantage of it if you want to join, because this is a very like limited offer I'm offering. I haven't offered at such a price just because of the year end. So I'm offering this, and it won't be available next. Okay, if you miss it, you miss it. Okay, so don't try afterwards. So anyways, coming down to our money flow. So also money flow, if you look at here, that is 11. So look at the time, 10, 12, and after that what was happening, Nifty was increasing. Okay, but you see that just a second, yeah, you see that the score graph was decreasing. Okay, the score graph was very clearly decreasing, and finally Nifty also came down. Okay, so this divergence was created in our money flow, and Nifty came down. Even the later on when it went up, so you see that Nifty was going down and then money flow went up, but then after that Nifty also shot up, but we did not go long there. Anyways, so money flow analysis is like very important. So which basically analyzes everything, like your cash, futures, then FNO, everything. Okay, and together it generates a score. So talking about Bank Nifty as well. So here Bank Nifty was going down, but money flow was started decreasing, and then finally Bank Nifty also came down, and similar situation happened here, and Bank Nifty finally was almost flat. Okay, so talking about our on the charts now, let's come on the chart. So 22,053, this level was discussed. Nifty got resistance, came down to near about our next level 21,926, and it concentrated around the volume. So this is basically an indicator which is basically gives the volume for the area that you see. Okay, the charts. And so let's talk about Bank Nifty. On the Bank Nifty, if you see here, this level 46,900 was also discussed, got resistance. Bank Nifty came down and took support at these EMAs. So 50 EMA, 50 days EMA basically. So and took support there finally. Talking about our Fin Nifty, came down and near about 20,649, which was our main level of support. It took support and stayed there. So basically the activity went in Nifty because today Nifty expiry happened. Okay, and yeah, so let's talk about the other data points. So also yesterday also I mentioned that 22,000 majorly, like, go and check. Not even yesterday, the last 2 days I've been mentioning that mainly the big call writers are present at 22,000. Okay, so 22,000, when it went to 2,100 Nifty, so there was also a chance to short because 22,000 big call writers were there, and they will try to manage their position or manage their profits and loss. So I mentioned it, and yeah, so if you saw my analysis, good. Otherwise, like yeah, so please do watch the analysis every day so that like you don't miss any important point. So talking about FIIs, they have sold today. DIs have bought more than the FIIs have sold, but that doesn't ensure anything like market will go up or down. Let's come to the EOD data. EOD data, if you look at here, yesterday FIs shorted, today they did not close it. Okay, so today further they shorted, but some FIs have suddenly bought in the futures as well. Talking about Propdex today they have shorted in the futures, so I think they think that further down move can come. But in the option, let's see what they have done. They have done put writing. Okay, so majorly today they have done put writing, and now they are put writers and call writers, Propdex. Okay, and talking about FIIs, they have done today this call. Let's see. So they have, okay, so their call writing positions have closed. So now overall they are little bit of call bias. So that buying is basically for the, I think the short FIIs have made short positions in the future, so for hedging purpose. But overall they are call writers and put writers as well. Okay, so yes, and that's the overall, like, basically these 3 days consecutive expiry. So after Thursday what happens is that option chain is basically I mean the positions gets offloaded, and so you have to wait for the fresh positions for the next week, and so to make a strong conclusion. Okay, and also if possible you have to catch them during the live intraday hours as we do. And so if you like the analysis, if you like my content and analysis during the live market hours, please do share it among the other traders who need such help. And also please don't forget to like. Thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.